traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I'm definitely still looking at this at the end of a wave 3. If that is the end of a wave 3, then most likely we are in a very corrective overlapping pattern, which I think will potentially last 6 to 8 months for the wave 4, probably bringing us down to about the 178.5 area because there's a lot of resistance right there. Then probably make another attempt on the uptrend for the wave 5. So anyways, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this whole move down I think is a wave A. Maybe the wave A is over. I'm still honestly not really convinced. I still think that there's a very good chance it will try to go down at least one more time before it makes like a wave B and then probably down again for a wave C. But let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely very strong to the upside for sure. And you definitely could have been looking for longs on like the 1 hour time frame range over the last 2 weeks. But technically to me, it still hasn't taken out any structure. I still think there's a pretty good chance at some point it is going to make another attempt on the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last little push down, the last little series of lower lows, lower highs that we got. If this move up really is a correction to this move down, then most likely it will bounce from one of these Fibonacci levels, make a very engulfing move to the downside, break structure, helping to prove that it really is a correction and continue in the downtrend. Maybe it's a 4 or 5, maybe it's a subdivision of a bigger wave A. It doesn't really matter to me because if it does do this, I will be short, and I definitely will learn and earn at the same time whether it is a wave 5 or not. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we're definitely sitting at the 61.8, which is a good area for a possible move to the downside, but it still hasn't made a big fib bounce. We need to see a big impulsive engulfing move to the downside with a nice clear break of structure to really believe that this is going down in any significant way. Honestly, like I've been saying for the last few days, if you are a short time frame trader trading the 1 hour and below, ever since we broke structure way back here, you should have been looking for logs. And since we do not have that Fibonacci bounce and big impulsive down yet, you probably technically should still be looking for logs if you trade the 1 hour time frame and below. Otherwise, you're waiting for a fib bounce, you're waiting for impulsive engulfing down, you're waiting for a break of structure to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. Kind of what I'm doing because I am definitely not a short time frame trader, I am definitely more of a swing trader. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.